In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix whoops, looks like something went wrong error on your DStv stream. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, this error, we are told this may be related to reaching your limit of one of a current stream or due to streaming error. If you are currently streaming on another device, please stop the streaming and try again. So if you are getting this stream, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are logged into your DStv stream using one account. If you are logged in on your phone as well as on your other devices, you may want to log out on other devices and remain with one device. Also, if you have overshared your account with other people, you may want to have them log out so that you can be able to log in. However, if the problem is not with the number of people online or streaming devices, then most likely the problem might be with your browser. For that, you need to troubleshoot your browser, and for my case, I'm using Google Chrome. So to troubleshoot it, just go to these three lines, click on it and go to settings, and the first thing you need to do is to clear the browser data. To clear browser data, go to privacy and security, and here go to delete browsing data. Here, choose the length of time you want to delete. You can delete either for the last 15 minutes, last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or even lifetime. So choose the length of period you want. For instance, if you want to delete for the last 7 days, choose last 7 days and make sure that browsing history is checked. I want also to delete these cookies, cached images, and as well as download history. Just click on delete, and this will fix your problem. Once you are done, now go back to your DStv stream account, log in, and now you shouldn't have any issue at this point. However, should you still experience a challenge at this point, you want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN on your computer or any recently installed security app. If that's the case, turn them off and see if this works. However, should this not work, then you want to try and see if you can log in and watch your programs using the DStv stream app on your mobile device. So for that, just go to your DStv stream or download the app and log into your account. Should the app work, then most likely the problem might be with the web version. However, if you are still not able on both, then most likely the problem is with DStv servers, and for that case, DStv might have experienced an internal error. For that, you need to wait and try logging in after some few minutes, and this should have fixed your problem. Now, once that is done, try logging in, and now you should be able to watch your favorite programs without any issue on DStv stream. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.